going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I'm going to show you how to complete surveys on this website, Paidviewpoint. You will never get disqualified. It's very simple. You see at the top, I have $9.98 and have 2 surveys available, so I'm going to do both of them just to show you how easy this is and how it always works. So let me jump into this first survey, and let me do this. I'm going to just show you like me doing these live so you can see that I'm completing them and that I'm not getting disqualified, and we'll see how much I made at the end of this survey. So let me do this survey real quick. All right, so you see there, I completed it. I got 78 cents for doing that survey. That survey was not even a minute long. So, I mean, you see how your money can really pile up fast. Now I have $10.76 in my account. I still have a survey available. I'm going to do that one as well. But you just see, 78 cents for like maybe 10 questions. Just that simple. So let me do another survey and see how much I get for this one. I'm not saying you'll get paid the same for all your surveys, but, that was a high paying one considered, the amount of questions I had to answer. So let me do this one real quick and see how much I get for this one. All right, now that survey is complete. I got 10 cents for that one. Not the greatest amount, but hey, I didn't get disqualified. That's the main point. Now I have $10.86 in my account. On this site, you can cash out at a minimum of $5. So I'm gonna click on the money sign here. And these are the different options you can use as far as cashing out: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart gift card, eBay, CVS, Target. I usually go PayPal, and it takes maybe like a day or two for them to send it to you. So I'll click on this. Cash out now via PayPal, and then it'll cash out my entire balance. It says it takes up to 72 hours, but I've always gotten it before then. So, there you have it. 2 surveys live. I did them both with under 3 minutes. So, it doesn't take that long to do. You're going to get money for them. Every time you have a survey available, you'll be able to complete it. So I'll leave the link to this site in the description. Sign up. It is completely free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.